I want to thank you all for this wonderful reception. I'm aware that you've been here for a very long time, since 9 o'clock. On behalf of our next governor, I want to apologize for our late arrival at this ceremony. But let me quickly go to the reason why we are here. For us in PDP, we feel very strongly that APC and Adams Oshiomhole, they be very unfair to the people of Akoko Edo, especially Osoko. I want to recall that some years ago, Adams, in one of his visits to campaign for your support and your vote, in this very place, started saying, anybody who is against the construction of the Okpila Ososo Road, Holy Ghost fire! But today, I, Chief Dan O.C. Obi, Chairman PDP, I'm here to tell you, anybody who promised you that he was going to do the road and he failed to do the road from Okpila to Ososo, Holy Ghost fire! Fire! A few days ago, I was watching news. I saw Adams Oshiomhole saying PDP leaders reject Pastor Osage Ezeyamo. I, the chairman of the party, I remain the symbol of the leadership of Edo State PDP. I have accepted it. The people have accepted it. My message today in Ososo to Adams Oshiomhole is that he should go and read the history of the old Oyo Empire. When they want to banish their ruler, they will say, the gods reject you, the people. Today in Ososo, I say Adams Oshiomhole, the gods reject him. The people reject him. He must go back to Kaduna. A stranger who found himself in the seat of government and he has refused to humble himself. Edo State is a land of culture and tradition. Never in our history have we seen somebody in that seat of government who will take delight to abuse elders, to abuse people. At every occasion, Adams takes delight in abusing and cursing people. That is not a way to teach our young ones of what is expected of leadership. That is why today we are happy that God has given us an opportunity to elect a man of God. For the first time in the history of our state, we are going to have a man of God as the next governor of Edo State. He has the fear of God in his heart. He will do what will please God and please man. He's a man who is grounded in the politics of our state. He's a man you can trust. He's a man who will know you even when he assumes office. He's a man who will not promise you and fail. Whatever he tells you today, by the grace of God, he will do. Karego, karego, eze yamu karego. Karego, karego, eze yamu karego. Thank you. sing the song. Even at that, our people here, they are prepared to wait in the sun to hear the next governor speak to them. It will be unfair for me to keep you so long. Before I call him to speak to you, I want to tell the people of Akoko Edo State, Akoko Edo local government, I'm an Afema man. I come from Esako, but I'm not happy with the injustice that Oshiomhole has brought to bear on the people of Akoko Edo. I'm an Afema man, and Esako man for that matter. I'm against the discrimination and division Adams has brought to the politics of Edo North. Look at Akoko Edo. There is no single appointment of note under APC government of Adams Oshiomhole. If you have any, tell me. Do you have? No. When, for the first time, Edo North gave opportunity to an Akoko Edo man to go to the Senate, Adams Oshiomhole removed Domingo and brought in another Esako man. At a time, Adams was governor. The secretary to government was an Esako West man. Are you hearing me? Yes. When he removed Domingo, he brought another Esako man. And in the past few weeks, Akoko Edo people, they were expectant. They were saying for the first time, Oshiomhole will have an opportunity to correct the wrong he has done to Akoko Edo people. I was hearing the name of Domingo as a possible deputy governor. I heard the name of Akpatasi. I heard several other names. Eminently qualified Akoko Edo sons and daughters were mentioned. But when it was time for Oshiomhole to pick a future APC deputy governor, he went back to Esako West and he picked another Esako man. Is Akoko Edo not part of Edo North? Why is Oshiomhole so unfair to you people? But I thank God that his choice will not be the choice of Edo State. Today before you, I have a man who is ordained by God, supported by Edo people, who will do good for Akoko Edo. He has promised me, an Afema man, that he will wipe away the tears of Afema people, especially the Ososo people. With your kind permission, I want to formally introduce to you the next governor of Edo State, Pastor Barrister Osage.